Experience the Amazon on the Ecuadorian side by staying at this beautiful resort. Your adventure starts by a boat ride, the only means of transportation getting in and out. The Itamandi resort has an open-air environment, including the common areas and in your bedroom. My room in particular had a beautiful view of Rio Araujo. This resort includes a beautiful cooling pool, a bar area, as well as a nocturnal hike to see all the local insects and bugs. In the dining and lounge area, the resort also includes an in-house chef to create amazing breakfast, lunch, and dinner meals. This enriching yet comfortable stay is a place I will never forget.